at the lake. New gauges are in. TAC is working. Temperature gauge not looking promising. Boat's been running for a few minutes. Just waiting on my co-pilot to get back down here, and then we'll take off and see how it does today. All right, we're out here today. It's not near as warm as it was, but it's also a little more windy, so water's not as smooth. We'll try to get on the other side of the lake and be a little smoother over there. Tachometer still working. Water temperature gauge not looking good. halfway across the lake to the dam, which was our goal. We had to stop because we're taking on water back here from somewhere.
I feel like your bilge pump hose is leaking.
Okay.
Because it's got water all up here.
Okay. We'll put in our emergency bilge pump and see if that works. All right, we're headed back towards the ramp. We're not going to make it today, unfortunately. The bilge pump in the boat is working, but the hose has a hole in it, so it's not getting the water out. And the new bilge pump I just bought from Walmart was working when I put it in the boat, but it's now not working, so that's fun. There's not enough in there to hurt it. It's only got a couple inches of water in there, but more than I'd like to see. So we're gonna ease on back to the ramp, see how it goes. We'll turn it back on if we get to the ramp, or we sink, whichever happens first.
Your other one's got crap around it that there was.
All right, we made it back. We are hooked to the truck. Let's take a look at the water. Oh. Yeah, there's more than I'd like to see in a boat that I am passenger of. There's my new bilge pump from Walmart. Doesn't work. Forgot to trim the motor up in all the excitement, so we'll get that. We'll hop down here in a second and pull the plug out and see how much water comes out.
What you need is because that's going to come out fast.
Oh, we'll let that run back down and fill the lake back up. Guess next we'll be figuring out how to find a leak that you can only find when it's in the water. If anybody has any ideas, let us know what's common and easy to check. It's been about a minute and a half, still going strong. This is not how I recommend washing the bottom of the boat. All right, we made it back to the truck. Didn't sink